What up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Wake Up with Wops, and happy Sunday. We're going to go over my positions and watch this and just get ready for that Monday market open. So I'm still in tow. It's pulling back now. A firm has been volatile, but I'm not too worried because earnings are in 26 days. Hopefully we continue running up. Nike is doing what I wanted. Now it's pulling up to my target price. Labu still staying in this range, consolidating, but it's not breaking any trend, so I am still holding. MetU, which is Meta. We have earnings in 4 days for this, so I might not be holding too long. We are at least above the 9 EMA, so I'm not too worried. Hopefully in the next 4 days we continue a little run up and I could sell. FAS, which is the finance sector, doing well, breaking that resistance that I was pointed out in the video when I entered. And AMD doing exactly what we wanted, the pullback from the 9 EMA, beautiful hammer candle. Now we're above this resistance. Earnings are coming up on this as well, so we're going to continue holding, maybe sell and get that profit before earnings. So these are the watch list, the stocks I'm looking now. Snow remounted the 9 EMA and the 20 SMA. It's looking good. Can it break this resistance? I'm liking it. Right now, I'm already in all my positions and I don't want to enter more, but I still like to look and see what stocks could I get into. Let's say I get stopped or if I sell for profits, I want to be ready to jump into another one ASAP if there is a good setup. VST, which is energy, gapped up. Now it's pulling back. If it stays support, it could probably be a good enter. VRT energy as well. Breaking off now, looking good as I enter. Maybe put the stop below the 9 EMA. Oklo, man, I messed up on this one, guys. I sold 50% around here, and then I made my stop loss the entry price. You could go over that in my profit strategy video. I ended up getting stopped, as you can see, with this candle here. But I should have just kept my original stop loss and not moved it up, because then we continued and we actually broke the resistance of this target price I had here at 73. But we learn from my mistakes. I learned from my mistakes, and you guys do too. So next time, maybe if the setup is looking good, I don't micromanage this trade. It happens though. TT breaking out of that consolidation. We've talked about this one. Dash, I've also mentioned, it's finally looking good, and it broke out of this resistance that you can see has been here for years. Since it's IPO'd, 1 test, 2 tests, now 3rd test, and we're breaking. Dash is looking good for an entry now, DoorDash. Elf Beauty as well. I like how it remounted the 20 SMA, and you see the 9 EMA is curling up. Let it catch up, and maybe they continue to this resistance at 129, and then hopefully break that and continue going up for Elf Beauty. Retail has been doing good in general. Palantir broke all-time highs. Look at that. It's looking beauty. I think earnings are coming in 9 days, so be aware, but I really like PLTR. What else, guys? Let's see. Shack as well. You can see this resistance here. Pulled back from here, pulled back from here. Now we're testing it again. It broke it a little bit, but we pulled back, and now we are above the 9 EMA. You could get in anticipating that we go above the 20 SMA and then continue going up. App, we're still in that consolidation. We went over this in one of my videos. You'd want this to break out of this range here, and then you could enter. Pattern's a little ugly. Uber, I like Uber as well. I want Uber to remount the 9 EMA and then continue going up, hopefully breaking this prior resistance. I like it. It's bouncing off the 50 SMA. Could be a good enter, anticipating a break off. Urban Outfitters breaking this range, you can see here. Looks good. I like Hood. Hood, you can see here, is pulling back off the 9 EMA, shows strong support. Right, it broke out of this resistance. You can see that support right there with the 9 EMA. I like Hood. They're doing good things with crypto, and they're a hot stock right now. BWXT, you could see here that this is a good example of how prior resistance here, the pullback, and then the breakthrough here ended up being support. You can see that hammer candle right there, consolidated for a little bit into this range, and now we broke off. This could be a good enter now, and then maybe put the stop loss below the 9 EMA right here. I like it. I like it. Same thing with Cyber. You can see here, we've talked about it. It's still finding support. I would wait for a little confirmation of the remount of the 50 SMA, the yellow line, and the blue line, the 9 EMA, for confirmation of entry. CrowdStrike, you could see here, same thing. Broke through the 50 SMA, found some support here. You could probably get in anticipating that we remount the 50 SMA at around 475, and then the 9 EMA. JP Morgan, banks are looking good in general.